If you want to see more topics on electrical and electronics engineering, then check the playlist section of this channel. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. In this video, we will see an example on impedance and admittance. Question: in the circuit of figure, find Vs if I0 is equal to 2 at an angle 0 degree ampere. Here for this circuit, we have to find the value of this Vs. The value of this I0 is given. Solution: so first of all, here this capacitor and this resistor both are in series. So let's say this is terminal A and this is terminal B. So here the current through this A and B will be this I0. It is the current through this branch. So we can easily find the terminal voltage between VAB, that is VAB we can easily find. So VAB is equal to current into resistance. So current I0 multiplied with impedance. So impedance here is minus J1, then plus 1. This is the impedance. The value of I0 is given. It is 2 at an angle 0 degree. So 2 at an angle 0 degree multiplied with minus J1 plus 1. So VAB is equal to this much, 2 at an angle 0 multiplied with minus J into 1 plus 1. It is equal to 2 minus 2J. 2 minus 2J, and since it is voltage, so its unit will be volts. We can convert this rectangular form to polar form. It will be shift, then 2, then 3. It is 2.82 at an angle minus 45 degree, and its unit will be volts. So this is the value of VAB. Now we have to find this Vs. So here again let's redraw the circuit. Let's copy this from here and paste it here. Now we know the value of this voltage, the voltage across this inductor or the voltage across this capacitor and resistor. So now let's find this current. So this current we can find by using, let's say this current is current IL, or let's say this is current I1. So current I1 will be equal to V upon R or V upon Z. So voltage value is this much, 2.82 at an angle minus 45 degree divided by impedance value is J2. Now if we solve this in calculator, it will be 2.82 at an angle minus 45 divided by J into 2. 2.82 at an angle minus 45 divided by J into 2. So it is this much in rectangular form. In polar form, this will be shift 2, 3. It is 1.41 at an angle minus 135 degree, and since it is current, so its unit will be ampere. Now we got the value of this I0 and I1. So we can find total current. Let's say total current is IT. So IT will be equal to I1 plus I0. Addition of this I1 and I0 is equal to IT. This is according to Kirchhoff's current law, KCL. So here the value of I1 is 1.41 at an angle minus 135 degree. 1.41 at an angle minus 135 degree. Then plus the value of I0 is, it is given 2 at an angle 0 degree. 2 at an angle 0 degree. Now let's solve this in calculator. 1.41 at an angle minus 135 bracket close, then plus 2 at an angle 0. So it is equal to this much in rectangular form. In polar form this will be shift 2 3. So 1.414 at an angle minus 44.82 degree, and its unit will be ampere. So this is the answer for IT. Now we got the value of this IT. So here we can find the value of this voltage, or we can use the KVL here, or directly let's find the value of this voltage, the voltage across this J4 ohm. Let's say this is terminal C and this is terminal D. So first of all, let's find its equivalent impedance. So here this 2 ohm and minus J2, these are in series and it is in parallel with this J4. So impedance Z is equal to, or we can again copy the circuit from here and again paste it there. Now here these two are in parallel. So here we can write 2 plus or 2 minus J2 into J4 divided by 2 minus J2 plus J4. It is equal to 2 minus J into 2 multiplied with J into 4 divided by 2 minus J into 2, 2 minus J into 2, then plus J into 4. Now this is equal to 4. So here the equivalent impedance is only 4 ohm. So 4 ohm multiplied with this IT. So the voltage across this terminal D and C will be, here we can write VDC is equal to current IT multiplied with resistance or impedance 4 ohm. The value of IT is this much. So let's directly solve this. 1.414 into 4. So it is 5.656 at an angle this much minus 44.82 ampere, 82 degree ampere. Now here this will be voltage, so its unit will be volts, not ampere. So this is the value of VDC and we have to find this Vs. Now we can use the KVL, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law. So again let's copy the circuit from here. Now we have to find the value of this Vs. So Vs is equal to we have to add both the voltages VDC and VAB. The value of VDC is this much 5.65. Let's copy it from here. This is the value of VDC. Then plus the value of VAB is this much. Let's copy it from here. Now if we add this, so we get the value of Vs. 5.65 at an angle minus 44.82, then plus 2.82 at an angle minus 45. So it is equal to this much in rectangular form. In polar form, this will be shift 2, 3. So it is 8.46 at an angle minus 44.87 degree. And since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. What we have to find in this question? We have to find the value of Vs. So this is the value of Vs and this is how we can find it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also install the Android app from the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.